Hello, everyone. Happy one day after U.S. Mother's Day to everybody. I'm going to do a flower for Mom. We're going to do this one called Ribbon Rose. I think I've done it before, but I don't remember. So we're just going to do this. We're going to start with a circle in the middle, and then we're going to do this sort of a petal-like shape here with an aura around it. Make it a little bit wider here, a little narrower there. Do that 3 times around. And then we're going to do that same sort of shape. It's almost a sort of a roundy, triangle-y shape. Same sort of shape, but we're going to come in here and then come out and then in that one. So you see it through there, right? So you want this to be plenty big so that you can see these petals through that. Okay, and then a little arch there. And then again, up and around, kind of almost a triangle-y shape. And then keep adding until you get all the way around what you want. And then you can color it in and shade it and add leaves and so forth and so on. So we're going to do that. Looks like fun. Set this over here so I can see all the steps. Turn on my light. I had a disaster of a recording experience just a few minutes ago. You will see the video on Friday, I think. I hope. But I did an entire almost hour video with no microphone. So you have no sound at all whatsoever. I am either going to, I don't know what I'm going to do to fix it, but I don't want to re-record it. So now I get a challenge of trying to figure out how to fix it. Every day's a new challenge. Okay, need my pen. Using today the Copic Multiliner 0.02, 0.2. And in the middle we're going to put our circle. And then we're going to do something like this and like that. And then another one like so. And a third one like that. Easy peasy. And then we're going to come out and around here like that. And then maybe in here like this. And it's okay if you're these things get a little wonky. As a matter of fact, it probably will look better if they are a little wonky. You don't want them all to look the same. Like so. And then the next bunch comes in here as best as you can. And you just kind of go around and fill things in as you feel led. And just keep making petals. can add extras in here because you want more of them as they get bigger. You have room for more of these ribbons. And just keep going around until you're done making however many you want. It's as simple as this. This is a nice easy one. After what I just went through. Oh, that was frustrating. I went to turn off my camera and turn off my microphone, and it wasn't on. But it was plugged in. See, if it hadn't plugged it in, then I'd have been okay because it would have just used the camera microphone. Wouldn't have been very good sound, but it would have had sound. But since I plugged my microphone into my camera and just didn't bother to turn on the power, I had nothing. It was blank. How frustrating is that? So, my question is, what am I going to do about it? I have a couple options. I can try to figure out how to do a voiceover. I've never done that before. I can try to figure out how to just edit it with some music, but I'm afraid I'm going to get a copyright strike because even though I've been using, the last time I used music on this channel, which was a long time ago, I did use the music from YouTube that says, use this music. And I guess after a couple years, the person who put the music onto YouTube said, I want permissions back, and everybody who's used their music are now getting a strike. Or not really a copyright strike, you don't get a strike. They just take all your money from that video. Just as bad. That's it. That's all there is to that. Super simple. And now I'm going to do a little coloring because why not? Let's use this color. This looks like a nice color. Give myself a nice sharp pencil. Come on. Why are you not sharpening all the way to the tip? I might need a new pencil sharpener. And I think I'm going to want white as well. Let's sharpen that. You know what? I think I might use my markers and do a little light pink. Let me just try on the back. It's a nice light pink. That works. Does this work on top? Not really. Okay. Good to know. Okay, I'm going to just put a little bit of marker color down. Then I'm going to color with the colored pencil. But this will make it a little bit faster. Like I said, after that frustrating experience, I want something that's quick and easy and fun and not frustrating. So, I have a few weeks, days. I don't know. I don't know how far ahead I am. Let's see. Yeah, I've got about a week and a half to figure out how to salvage that video. If you don't see one on Friday that's called a Swedish tile, then you will know I have failed at trying to recover from my disaster of filming. But I'm going to do my best because I really like how the tile itself turned out. But it was a long and difficult tile, and I'm not wanting to re-record it. And because of that, I'm just telling you guys now what happened. Does this happen to lots of YouTubers? Probably. Do they tell you about it? Nope. Nope. They just move on. But you know, I want to let you guys know the struggles of YouTube and of recording. And I do my best. And sometimes I'm out of frame. You know, it's a challenge. It's not easy doing art and talking at the same time and paying attention to filming and all the things you got to keep track of. It's actually very difficult. So I'm going to use this kind of as shading, this darker color. It's just going to kind of go around where that pink marker is kind of gone under all these different petals, right at the edges. Give it a little depth. Let's see, did I do all this? Nope, I didn't. Something like that. And then I do want the brighter white right there. Really give it a shine just like they have on their sample. I like that sample. Something like that. Easy peasy. Okay. Was there anything I needed to talk to you guys about? I don't think so. You guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video, which don't know what I'm going to call, what I'm going to do. I have to plan that out. This one's called Ribbon Rose. Ribbon Rose. Had to write that down in my planner so I know which one goes on what day. Keeping track. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video. We'll see what happens. It is almost time for me to get ready to do something else. I got things to do this afternoon. And apparently one of them is going to include fixing that video. All right, you guys. I have first world problems. I do. I am not complaining about my life. You know, we all have a pretty dang good life. For those who are in countries where, you know, just day-to-day living is harsh, we have a good life. And take time out to appreciate the life that you have, because, you know, not everybody has it. And I really am very grateful. So go out and do something nice for someone today. Make somebody else's world a better world. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.